Ready once again. And the race on, bahala na. Fast to begin, rushing up his Roadmaster is Smart and Noble on the further outside, moving up Scout Ranger, running by the rally Senor Bon Gun with the win, running in 6-7, belongs to Super Elegant 8 Aras. Wolf Run running by the alongside is Golden Class, 4th last, 3rd last Doomstead, Instant 2nd last, and How Did You Know is the early trailer Roadmaster, bahala na Scout Ranger, Senor Boon running in fourth by the row, and rounding the far turn Roadmaster, bahala na is running by the row. Scout Ranger is racing on the outside third, and Senor Boon as they race the final corner. Bahala na is now the leader. Roadmaster in between runners. Scout Ranger on the further outside. Is Scout Ranger a long shot. Bahala na running by the row. And nearing the finish line is Scout Ranger by about 2 lengths now. Roadmaster bahala na. And nearing the finish line is Scout Ranger. Second, close. Cut may bahala na. Roadmaster.
Okay, 7:14.